Nobody is coming. Listen carefully. Nobody is coming to rescue your dreams. No one is going to knock on your door and hand you the life you've been praying for, the opportunity you've been waiting for, the success you've been dreaming about, the future you keep imagining. It all begins the moment you decide to move. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop waiting until you have more money. Stop waiting until people believe in you. The truth is, the perfect moment doesn't exist. Every successful person started with something they didn't have enough of. Not enough money, not enough experience, not enough confidence, but they had one thing that changed everything: the courage to begin. Today, you have the same choice. You can wait another year, or you can take the first step and let your future catch up with your courage. The decision is yours. Keep moving. Your best chapter is still ahead.